You guys, I did so much recording and I forgot to announce the winner of the Lovie Subbie giveaway. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put the screenshot on the screen right now of how I selected the winner. I used a random comment generator and this is the winner. So congratulations to you. Thank you guys so much, everybody that entered. Thank you for being a part of my Lovey Dovey family. Do not leave. Please don't leave me. I have more giveaways. I have so much more to bring you guys, so much more content. So please don't leave me. Remember, I upload every Sunday, and then Wednesday's videos are like, you know, when you go to McDonald's and you get like a 6-piece chicken nugget, and then you open the box and there's 7 chicken nuggets instead of the 6 that you paid for, you know? That's what Wednesday's videos are. They're just extra bonus content that I have for you guys. So please stay around for my channel. I would love to see you guys here. As you guys can see, I'm very interactive in my comment section. I'm very interactive on social media. So please stay with me. Thank you guys for being part of my Lovey Dovey family. Congratulations to the winner. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Hello lovies and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Shanice, and I am here with another video. Yay, yes, let's go. Come on, consistency. All right, ladies, today we are here with the $25 makeup challenge. You guys will see if I, achieved the goal to stay under $25, but that is the goal here, to do a whole face of products and all adding up to being less than $25. So we will see if I achieve that look. Today's video though is super exciting because it is done in collaboration with my girl Trania, and her channel name is TNia. I'll have it linked down below, so please check out her channel. I love her videos. She does makeup videos. She does health videos, like health and lifestyle for her health fitness journey. She has I think some cooking videos, or if not, she does do cooking on her Instagram. So definitely follow her on Instagram. She's just an all around sweet girl. I do know her in real life, so I'm not just saying this just based off of YouTube connection. She's a really sweet girl. I had the pleasure of working with her and she's just awesome. And she was one of those people that when I was talking about getting back on YouTube, I remember I had my intro made and I sent it to her and she was like, girl, I love it. Yes, do it. It is so easy. Like, just do it. If this is what you want to do, just do it. And she really pushed me to get back on the channel. So I'm so excited to be partnering with her today. You guys, please, all of my lovies, go support her. Watch her videos, subscribe, do what you gotta do over there. And since we're on the topic, let's go ahead and get our reminders out the way. I do wanna remind you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. While you're at it, do not forget to share my video. Of course, you have to share the video. Share me with other people. Let's continue to grow my Lovey Dovey family. And don't forget to comment. The emoji that we will be using today is right here. So please don't forget to comment on the video. Leave this little emoji and we can chat down below in the comment section. And last but not least, of course, don't forget to ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. I don't know what this is, but I did it. I didn't know what to wear for this video. You know, it was $25 makeup challenge, but I still wanted to be a little bougie, so I decided to give you some bougie here. But okay, ladies, also one quick reminder before we jump into the video. I do want to remind you that I do leave a lot of information in the description box down below. Usually everything that I'm using in detail, everything that's on my face in detail, my social media handles, my email address. If you guys have any video requests or anything that you would like to see me try, please email me, comment down below. Do not be afraid to reach out. Do not be afraid to follow me on Instagram. I had a lot of lovies follow me on Instagram from the giveaway. So thank you guys. That is all that I wanted to remind you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Bye guys. All right guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this challenge. Now, I tried to film this before now, and I'm gonna be honest with you, baby, it just didn't come out right. It just did not come out right. So I'm redoing the challenge. I'm being a little bit more strategic in the products I'm using, and we're just gonna see how this comes out. I have my receipt right here. and some notes that I wrote on the back for other products that I did not purchase. I have my calculadora right here, and we are just going to go with the flow. Disclaimer, I did go ahead and moisturize my skin because as a grown woman, I just could not come on here, okay? I could not come on here with an ashy face. Oh my God, the way he set up, he just wouldn't let me do it, and I just would not dare. I just wouldn't dare. So we're not gonna include skincare because it's not an option for me to come on camera ashy. Let's jump right into it. So I am already starting out in the hole because I've already done my eyebrows. So this is the e.l.f. Ammo Concealer, which is $6, and that's what I did to sculpt my brows with. And then this is the e.l.f. I forget the name of it, but it's the Eyebrow Palmade, and this is $3. So we're starting out $9 in the hole. Let me go ahead and add it to my calculator. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and start on the eyes. Now I did purchase 2 of these bite-size eyeshadow kits or bite-size eyeshadow palettes, quads from e.l.f. And I got the color, this is Truffles, and then I got the color Rose Water. Last night I tried to use Truffles and the shadows were not blending. Baby, they were not blending as I needed them to be. I was out here looking patchy, and you know, I just figured you guys didn't appreciate that. So we're gonna try it again with Rose Water. I don't know what we're gonna get. So these eyeshadow quads are $3. So let me go ahead and add that onto my calculator. With this, we are at $12. So let's go ahead and do a look, or attempt to do a look. This is what it looks like open. I don't know if you guys can see that. These are very small, but very cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and prime my eyelids. It's not the preferred method of primer, but we're just trying to make it on a budget here. Bougie on a budget, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go in with this fluffy brush here, and I'm just gonna go into this deeper shade here, and we're just going to construct an outer V. Okay guys, so for the sake of saving the look, I went ahead and decided to wet my brushes and go into these eyeshadows to give them some color payoff, because it was giving me too much fairy dust and I just didn't have time. So now what you see me doing is kind of going back and correcting the look. I've just applied that wet shimmer shade onto my lid, and now I'm just blending that out with that darker shade that we used. I've kind of blended both eyes out a little bit, and I'm just gonna go back in with my wet brush again into this shade and just kind of top off both eyes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. One thing I will say about these e.l.f. quads, it's just too many shimmer shades. I know it's only 4, like, it's a quad Shanice. But I would have enjoyed like 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. Like if this dark shade here was just a matte shade and then we had 2 shimmers, I think we could have done a little bit more. I'm just not a fan of it, me personally, but let me go ahead and line my eye. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Color eyeliner in black, and this is $1, so let's go ahead and add it in. This LA Color eyeliner is just bomb. Like, $25 makeup challenge or not, I'm still gonna use it, you know? Whether I'm using a $3 foundation or a $63 foundation, I'm still gonna use it, so it's bomb. You should get it if you don't have it. All right, ladies, so we've got a good, you know, little liner here. It's coming together. So I got these 3D Faux Mink lashes, and these are in the shade Drew, and they do say cruelty-free on the back, so I thought that was kind of cute, and I was like, okay, LA Color, you better have a little faux mink line, okay? So we can just try it out and see. These lashes are $3.98, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that onto our calculadora. These little faux minks, you know, don't expect too much. Don't expect too much. Don't expect mink. Don't expect faux. Just, you know, just go and expecting that you're gonna get a little lash. And it's cute. It's a cute little lash. They look like little stackable wispies. That's really what they're giving me. But they're calling it mink, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. So that's that on that. Okay, lovies, we're back. We popped on our lashes. I think for $3.98, you know, these are cute. This one, the little inner corner just want to keep popping up. It's a cute little $3.98 lash. So let's go ahead and move on to the skin. Now, I initially was going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. However, with my budget and what I was trying to go for, I just opted out of this. I'm sorry guys, but she's only $4.98. So maybe for your $25 face, you can use her, but I'm sorry, boo. I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna put you down. I just decided to do a lot of concealer work. I think that with the right concealer, you can do a full face, not a full face, but you can do a good face. I do it all the time for work. Like I don't ever wear foundation, I just wear concealer and powder. So let's go in. So I'm just gonna apply it under my eye. Look how creamy and just bomb that is. We're gonna take like 2 seconds to let it dry down. And I'm gonna go in with my one of my e.l.f. powder brushes and just blend that out. And it just blends out so perfectly, you guys. Like, oh my goodness, like this deep cinnamon shade. If you're my complexion girl, you need to go get her today. Beautiful. So now we are about to add into our total. We have our Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, Matte+Poreless pressed powder in 360 Mocha. This powder is $5.34. So we're gonna add that onto our calculator. So now we are at $22.32. We are pushing it. We got $3 and some odd cents left. It's okay. But we're gonna, this last little, we're gonna make it last. Make it last. Let me go ahead and add these on here. But this powder is just, it just blurs so perfectly and it just gives you coverage while still leaving you looking a little natural. I just love it. I really do. Okay, now that we've got that on, we're not doing any contour because we can't afford it. But I did happen to pick up a nice blush. I did pick up this Wet n Wild blush and it's called Mellow Wine. This is what she looks like. This is $2.98. Let me go ahead and add this in. Ladies, we're at $25.30. I tried my hardest not to go over budget. Did I add it right? I'm gonna go back and add it. I'm gonna try to make this shade here a highlighter. So let's see what we can do. Taking my trusty dusty. I know y'all don't like these big fan brushes, but sis has been good to me. And when God has been good to you, you just can't let him go. I just can't let this brush go. It's been good to me. So I'm gonna try to make this into like a little, you know, highlighter. Watch Trania's video just be like bomb and she has all these products and she doesn't go over budget and she's like clocks in at like $13 and I'm over here over budget. I can't believe it. I did have this Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Mochalicious and I just wanted to show you guys the packaging. It's so cute. It has these little lips right here and it's a cute little, you know, dark mauve nude and it's only $1.98 and I'm gonna add it in. I know we're over, but I'm still gonna add it in. I failed the challenge. You know, this needs a little liner. And I'm not adding anything else on, but I'm gonna take my eyebrow stuff and I'm gonna line my lip a little bit, give it a little depth. Look at that. Look how that just brought that to life. Okay, and now I'm gonna put some more of this in the center. All right, ladies, this is our final face here for the $25 makeup challenge. I just want to thank you guys for joining me today. I do like how the concealer and the powder just are giving us this flawless kind of face. The lash is a decent $3.98 lash. We're giving you, you know, flutters here. I do like how the eyeshadow did pan out for the highlight and it's blending nice with that blush. The lip is beautiful. I just didn't, I mean, to me, I want to throw these away. I might give them another chance later. I just didn't love these, ladies. I'm gonna be honest with you. Maybe I'm just not the best eyeshadow tech, and I'm okay with knowing where I'm at. But maybe you guys can get these to work for you. I just couldn't get these to work for me. That is going to be it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I challenge each and every one of you to take on the $25 makeup challenge, as well as do not forget to follow my girl Trania. Her page will definitely be linked down below in the description box. I will definitely have a card in the video at some point to share the video that she did for the $25 makeup challenge. Thank you, ladies, for joining me, and have a great rest of your day. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.